The battles for survival in the wild world cause so much death. But in the wild, there are still many surprises. Let's continue to discover these surprises with the animal survival. Herd of elephants rescue a poor baby monkey from a leopard hunting. Elephants versus lions, crocodiles and rhinos. A very daring scene happens. The baby monkey jumps up and still can't escape the leopard's claws. Can the leopard eat the baby monkey? An elephant appears as a savior. Afraid that the elephant would find something unusual, the leopard quickly releases the baby monkey. After a while of no movement, the elephant returns to its herd. Fooling the elephant, the leopard continues and lets go of the baby monkey. But unexpectedly, the leopard led itself to the elephant and was discovered. To chase the leopard, the elephant got knocked down by any obstacles in the way. In the face of pursuit, the older brother, the leopard, must increase its speed to escape. Finally, the elephant saved the baby monkey and brought it back to reunite with its mother. The lions are paying attention to something. It turned out that they were paying attention to a newborn baby elephant carefully guarded by the elder elephants to avoid attack from the lions. A pair of sharp eyes darting towards the baby elephant. This lion has a plan. Not yet detected the danger, the mother and daughter of the elephant family are still normal. The lion starts to move, signaling a new war is about to take place. The battle between the giants of the jungle is about to happen. With the advantage of majority, the lions united to attack the mother elephant from all sides. But the mother elephant is not weak and is quickly defeating the lions and chasing them away. Seeing the baby elephant drinking in the mangroves, the male lion approaches. Not letting the baby elephant run away, the lion rushes to pounce on its opponent. In terms of size, the baby elephant looks bigger than the lion, but in terms of strength, the baby elephant is not equal. After the lion's fierce attack, the baby elephant, lacking in strength to fight, collapses. Adventurers accidentally capture the moment the lion attacks the giant elephant. At first, the lion bit the elephant's ear and didn't let go. Then it changes its moves. The lion aggressively bites the left eye of the elephant, causing it a lot of pain. And the elephant runs fast to escape the lion's chase. However, not running far away, the elephant was defeated by the lions. With the barrage of attacks incoming, the elephant was bitten to death by the pack of lions. The poor elephant becomes a meal for the lions. Another unlucky elephant is attacked by a herd of lions. The lion members take the herd and turn clinging to the elephant's back. The elephant begins to show signs of exhaustion. Will the lions take down the biggest species on the planet so easily? Wherever the elephant moves, the lions follow. However, the lion made the right decision, and that would run into the water. Here, the elephant has a more advantageous counterattack instead of running away like before. Being in the water is not the strength of the Jungle King. But they have still chased the elephant closely, showing the lion's determination in this battle. At this time, the elephant was more active, ready to attack the lion who dared to approach it. Finally, with the direct plan. With his intelligence, the elephant can safely cross the land. The elephants were drinking water as usual when danger lurked for them. A crocodile suddenly jumps up and grabs the trunk of the largest elephant. The elephant struggles to escape from those sharp iron teeth. Not only did he get out, but before he left, he gave the crocodile a butt. The lake has many dangers that are difficult to predict. A pair of terrifying eyes that follow the elephant's every movement. Crocodiles have begun to gradually approach the elephants. The elephants were drinking when the crocodile came up and grabbed the trunk of the baby elephant, causing it great pain. The baby elephant is frantically wagging along, and the mother elephant beside her tries to help the baby elephant escape the grasp of the crocodile. The crocodile dives away, the elephants safely cross the river. The predator is retaliated against by the prey itself. The crocodile is ambitious to take over the baby elephant. But it was caught by the mother elephant and it was given a lesson. It was angry, but it used all of its strength to trample the crocodile. In particular, the mother elephant also used her trunk to knock the elephant. The crocodile's situation is not very positive. It's not clear why the rhino mother and daughter confronted the giant elephant. The difference in weight, the elephant delivered a powerful attack that caused the rhino to fall. Not stopping there, the elephant also rammed a finishing blow to the rhino. Feeling that the situation is not very good, the rhinoceros quickly makes a leave. Elephants and rhinos are the two largest herbivores in the wild. Sometimes they will conflict because of territory. Elephants will have the upper hand in body, so it takes the initiative first in this battle. But the rhinoceros also has a very sharp horn in the front to respond to the huge enemy. The battle is coming to a climax. The two sides have declared war, gradually coming up with more and more moves. No matter how hard you try, the rhino can't beat the elephant. It was chased out of the territory by the elephant, and the rhinos run away together. An unlucky rhinoceros entered the territory of the forest elephant. Meanwhile, wild elephants are enjoying their food. The ignorant rhino ran to tease the elephants, but the angry elephants threw a wooden stick. The warning message has worked. The rhinos do not dare do anything more. A baby buffalo was ambushed by a giant elephant. The wild elephant rushed from afar, ramming the buffalo, causing it to fall on its side. Not stopping there, the elephant also used its trunk to trample the young buffalo. Seeing the young buffalo lying still, the elephant turns away, satisfied. Because he had to share the lake with the hippos, the elephant excitedly chased them away. An elephant came to drink water, but was extremely annoyed by the hippopotamus, so he started to take chase. At first, it only used its trunk to scoop water, but later the elephant lost control, frantically attacking the hippo. the elephant roared, causing a commotion in the lake. It proceeded to chase the hippopotamus into the lake, even though the number was not small. Unfortunately, the baby hippo, who was right on the shore of the lake, couldn't keep up and was brutally attacked by the elephant. The elephant unleashes powerful blows on the baby hippo. Luckily, the elephant got bored, so he didn't fight with the baby hippo anymore. The elephant returned to the lake to chase the rest of the hippos. Things didn't stop. The baby hippo followed the elephant that kicked it with its foot. Two elephants had a territorial dispute with a hippo. The hippopotamus is so fierce it roars to warn the two big opponents in front of them. And faced with the aggression, the elephants must back down. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. All you've got to do is hit the like button and subscribe so that we can ensure that we can bring you the best videos every single day. Thanks so much for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next video. See ya!